So, hello guys, welcome back to my short video on my YouTube channel. So, this is my next. So, matagal-tagal din na yung naghinto sa pag-upload ng ating channel. So, so yan guys. Hopefully, please support me for my all videos. Actually guys, no, ang content kasi natin is all about ano lang naman, life, vlogging lang ganun. So yun guys, no, and hopefully guys, please support always. And then meron din akong YouTube, Facebook, no, and meron din ako isa pang YouTube channel. This is gaming channel. So yan guys, hopefully dito tayo palari sana, no. And syempre short video lang muna, sana tayo mag-upload ng videos talaga pag medyo umabot na tayo ng medyo 50 subscribers, kasi ang pinaka target ko is live. So yun naman guys, and then see you next video. So kabablog ko lang ulit, kababalik lang sa YouTube ulit. So please support guys, thank you guys.